Today I am back with another e-bike review, and this review is all about this incredible commuter bike. This is the Trax Mid-Drive e-bike by Troxus. This is actually the first ever mid-drive motor I have ever had in an e-bike, and I love it. Mid-drive motors sit in the middle of the frame of the e-bike as opposed to the rear wheel, and they significantly enhance riding stability and comfort. And with the help of the torque sensor, this bike is going to offer a more natural riding experience than other speed sensor e-bikes. Keeping on the theme of, high comfortability, this bike utilizes a step-through frame, which I absolutely love and pretty much demand in my e-bike because it's so much easier to get on and off this bike. Plus, it's got a front suspension fork and super comfy cruiser handlebars. The parts and accessories on this bike are some of the most reliable in the industry. From the Bafang 500-watt motor, to the Kenda tires, to the Tektro hydraulic brakes, to the Shimano 11-speed shifter. This offers a broader gear range than the typical 7 or 8-speed systems, allowing you to adjust the gears to get the workout you want during your ride. And to add to that reliability, Troxus offers a 5+ years total care package, which is a significant step above most other e-bike brands that only offer a 1 to 2 years of total care. Again, the design and the features are all about comfort and city riding, so it is the ideal e-bike from cruising around the neighborhood or daily commuting to your office. And speaking of commuting, it's got a max range of 60 miles on a single charge, which is more than enough to get you back and forth from the office. Of course, pedal assist always helps extend your range, plus you get a little workout in as well. But most people I know who use an e-bike for commuting never have to worry about a low battery because they just remove the Samsung powered 48-volt battery and charge it during the day while they're at work. Some e-bikes can be very heavy, but this is only 61 pounds and just feels super light no matter what you do with it. So getting it up the curb is no problem at all. And it's got a max speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, which is a sweet spot for me. And this handcrafted alloy frame comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. So check out their website for details on those different sizes and make sure you get the right size for you. And if you're unsure about the best size for you, you can ask the online customer service or visit a nearby store and take it for a test drive. They'll know what is right for you, I promise. For the test ride, you can click on the link and get it set up. I chose the medium size because my teenagers, who are much bigger than me, will end up stealing this from me from time to time, but the medium actually suits me just fine. It's perfect. So I got it in the white, which I think is so cute, but it also comes in red, so check that out if you want something with a bit more pop. The seat is so darn comfy. Comfy seats are an absolute must for me, so thank you for that. I also love this rear rack right here that comes standard. So I always end up using that rack way more than you ever think. So I think it is a must for me on this e-bike. Like I mentioned before, Troxus offers in-store test rides, which I think is very smart. So set up a test ride for yourself today. And if you want a high quality and super comfy e-bike, check out this bad boy from Troxus and get your commute on today.